Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll clear some basics on Forex market. What are the major currency pairs? What do you mean by short, long, buy, sell, all these terms? How do we read currency pairs and how price moves? So let's get started. So first thing that I wanted to talk about, that you will see most of the times pair like GBP USD, Euro USD, written terminals or trading software. So what do you mean by that? If you see GBP USD is equals to 1.3173, what do you mean by that? That only means that if you want £1, you have to pay $1.3173. So if you are buying any currency or if you are selling any currency, that is only means that buying any currency means that currency will become stronger against the other currency. Selling means that currency will become weaker against the other currency. In this scenario, our left hand side currency is pound, so side currency will go stronger. So if we buy it, so if we are buying it, we are expecting pound to go stronger against dollar and vice versa. I'll show you some examples, that if we buy and if price goes up, how we will earn profits, and if we sell and price goes down, how we will earn profits. So the whole thing to remember here is that when we are expecting price to go up, we will buy. When we are expecting price to go down, we will sell. Okay, how it works, we'll talk about it later. So if you see that we are expecting to buy here at this current point, this is the point we are expecting to buy here, and we're expecting to price to go up. Okay, so what happened next? See, price went up and we will be in profits if we would have bought here. So this is generally an example that if price will go up and we have bought earlier, we will earn profits. So this is a chart of a dollar, pound versus dollar, where we are just showing that if price goes up and we have expected that and we buy that, we will earn profits. So vice versa, let's suppose we are expecting the price to go down, okay, and we sell here and we sell here. So if we would have sold here, so we would have been in profits by now. Okay, so this is only telling that after that price went down and we will earn profits if we would have sold here. So this is a general understanding that what is buying and what is selling. Okay, so what is next? Next is how price moves. This is also a very important thing, you have to understand it. So there will be only two people in the market. Somebody will buy and somebody will sell. Okay, so if there are more buyers, price will go up. If there are more sellers, price will go down. All you need to know, or all you need to understand from the market or from the charts, you have to identify whether buyers are in the control of the market or sellers are in the control of the market. If buyers are in the control of the market, they will push the price up, and vice versa. If sellers are in control of the market, they'll push the price down. So just think of a scenario where, let's suppose there are 4 to 5 people sitting in a room and everybody is buying it, any stock or any currency pair, doesn't matter. Okay, one person joins in later on. What will he do? He will also buy because other people are buying it, right? So the more people are buying, and if we identify that more buyers are in the market, why will you sell it, right? The only thing we need to understand at this point is what buyers and sellers do. So if you understand that point, that will be easier for you to trade and trade in the direction of the trend. So how do we identify trend? How do we know? So if you go back to the previous slide, if you go here, so you see when price starts to go down, all these green candles are bigger than the red candles. That is why it moved up. So green candle reflects buyers' strength in the market, and vice versa. Red candle reflects sellers' strength in the market. You see there are big red candles when the price starts to go down. So all you need to understand and pick up these points where you see that price might change and price starts to go down or up, and you have to understand by reading charts that who is in control of the market. Okay, so this is it from my side. In this video, we'll talk about more about buying and selling and different type of candlestick patterns in the next video. Thank you.